Welcome to a quick tutorial on the associative property. This is in your Beast Academy chapter. Let's take a look at what the associative property tells us we can do. First, what is the associative property? Well, there's more than just one. There's actually two associative, or really there are actually two associative properties. There's one that has to do with addition and the other has to do with multiplication, and we use them the same way. These associative properties use parentheses to group together numbers, usually to make our calculations easier. So you learned with the commutative property that we could take two numbers like 5 and 6, and I could add them in any order I wanted to. 5 plus 6, 6 plus 5. I changed the order, but I'm keeping the same numbers. Well, that's great when there are only two numbers. What happens when there are three numbers? That's what parentheses allow us to do. Unlike with the commutative property, we're not going to change the order. We'll keep the same exact numbers and we'll use parentheses to group together the numbers that we want to add first or multiply first. Okay, let's start with addition. The associative property of addition tells us that we can change the way we group our numbers together, and again, we do that using parentheses. The parentheses tell us what to add first. So I have this same problem, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10, and I can actually do this one of two ways. I can do it this way, 2 plus 3 plus 5, and I group the 2 and the 3 together. This way I'll add them first. Or I can write out the same problem, and instead of grouping the first two numbers, this time I'll go ahead and I'll add the last two, 3 plus 5. Let's work our way from the left. If I group together the 2 and the 3, well, 2 plus 3 is 5. Remember, wherever you see the parentheses, do that first. So 2 plus 3 is 5. I still need to add on the other 5. And 5 plus 5, that's 10. So here's how we know it works. Working our way from the right-hand example, this time I'm grouping the 3 and the 5 first. Because they're inside the parentheses, I'm going to do them first. 3 and 5 is 8. I tack on the 2, and notice how we still get the same answer of 10. This works just the same way, only the next time we're going to multiply. So here's another example, 1 times 8 times 6, which I think you'll agree is 48. We can approach this problem two ways using the associative property. Not going to change the order, not at all. What I will do, however, and by order I mean I'm not going to rearrange the numbers. I'm still going to have the 1 first, the 8 second, and the 6 in last place. What I will do, however, is I can choose to group together the 1 and the 8, multiply those first, or I can group together the 8 and the 6. Working our way from the left again, if I group together 1 and 8, and I do my multiplication there, 1 times 8 is simply 8. Go ahead and multiply with what's left. 8 times 6 is 48. Working my way from the right-hand example now, if I do the 8 and 6 first, 8 times 6, I know that's 48. Can't forget about the 1 that I was supposed to multiply by. And 1 times 48 is 48, right? 1 times anything will be itself. So here is another example of the associative property, this time for multiplication, and notice that I did not rearrange the numbers. They're in the same order. I'm just using parentheses to show what should be done first.